20 legit ways to make money online. Is there anything better than making money while you sleep? I mean, wouldn't you love to wake up with an influx of cash creeping into your bank account? Then you've come to the right video. All you will need is a computer or a phone with internet access. We've compiled a list of the top 20 legit ways to make money online, and you'll almost certainly find one that will work for you. If you are really serious, you can start making some real cash online, and the best part is that you won't have to quit your 9-to-5 job. You can make over $1,000 or more per month in your free time. Welcome to CMTVten, where we teach you the top secrets of success and help you gain financial freedom. If you are new here, consider subscribing so you don't miss other interesting videos like this one. Here are the 20 legit ways to start making money online. 1. Create a digital course. It seems like digital courses are everywhere today. So, if you have valuable knowledge that someone would pay for, this could be a great option. In addition to having your own courses, learning platforms such as Udemy, Skillshare and Chillin Media Academy offer a chance to become an instructor. It's a unique opportunity to pass your skills and experience to thousands of people eager to learn about new technologies. Digital courses can be produced in a lot of different formats, from simple PDF downloads, all the way up to self-produced video courses that have dozens of hours of content. Creating online courses can be a very powerful path. Since it's under your control, there's no limit to how much money you can make. Like most other methods on this list, digital courses can be integrated into most styles of websites, including blogs, e-commerce sites, and even affiliate sites. 2. Create video tutorials on YouTube. This is definitely a long-term strategy, and you won't get rich overnight by doing this. But creating engaging and well-thought-out video tutorials and posting them on sites like YouTube could make you a significant amount of passive income in the long term, depending on just how well received those videos might be. Find a niche and stick to it. Build a YouTube channel and find something that you can do that will add a whole lot of value to the people that might be interested in that field or niche. However, keep in mind that this will require a significant amount of time and upfront investment before this pays off at all. 3. Offer gigs on Fiverr. If you have some professional experience in graphic design, accounting, social media marketing, web development or training, for example, you could offer gigs on Fiverr starting at $5 per job. You could perform a valuable service that you could also upsell to make more money per gig. Fiverr is one of the biggest providers in the gig economy on the web, and you can sell a wide variety of services and products through this medium. Do the research and find out what you can offer. However, keep in mind that like any other money-making task, it takes time to succeed here. And stellar reviews will help you generate more and more income over time. 4. Sell professional services on Upwork. Upwork is one of the biggest sites for selling just about any professional service under the sun. If you have extensive experience in a field, you might want to consider selling your services through this site. However, like anything else, the beginning will be difficult. Before you have a significant track record and extensive reviews, sourcing work in one of these highly competitive platforms will be difficult. Find the most successful people in your niche and try to model your approach and online profile after theirs. 5. Become an online translator. We've been hearing a lot about globalization in the past few decades, and that's meant that more people who speak different languages are interacting on a day-to-day basis. That has created a major need for people to work as translators. If you are bilingual, this could be a real opportunity for you to make money online. Pros.com is a site where you can get paid to translate all kinds of documents, including files and even conversations. The site provides you with an opportunity to list your services as a translator. They offer opportunities in Spanish, German, Italian, Chinese, Arabic, Japanese and other languages, and specialize in legal, medical, technical and other fields. If you are bilingual and feel that you can translate any of these documents, this can be an opportunity for you to make money online and at home in your spare time. 6. Sell your photos and videos online. If you're traveling, it's likely that you're surrounded by gorgeous photo ops, and now that digital cameras are widely available, Photography and videography can be a good way to earn an income. Stock websites make it easy for photographers and videographers to upload their work. Then we'll market on your behalf and create passive income for you while you're off shooting the next beautiful location. Stock agencies looking for submissions include Shutterstock, PhotoShelter, Fotolia, and iStock. If you can create an online portfolio of several hundred photos that people are interested in downloading, you may have created one of the very best passive income sources. Take a look at the types of photos that you see appearing across the internet, and tailor your work to meet that need. 7. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the practice of partnering with a company to receive a commission on a product. This method of generating income works the best for those with big YouTube channels, blogs, and websites. With programs such as Amazon Affiliate, Google AdSense, and Media.net, you can have ads related to your content automatically placed on your site. This will provide you with an income every time someone clicks on one of the ads. This is the perfect way to add an extra income stream to your existing web platform. If you have high enough web traffic, you can also participate in affiliate programs from various companies. They will typically pay you a certain amount of money every time someone signs up for a product or service that is advertised on your website. Thousands of websites are making a lot of money using affiliate marketing. 8. Launch your own blog. Blogging can be done either as a hobby or as a full-time business. In fact, it often starts as a hobby, becomes a profitable side business, and then becomes a brand new, all-encompassing career. One of the most beautiful and exciting qualities about blogging is that you can create a blog that deals with any subject area that you are either knowledgeable or passionate about, and preferably both. You can write about personal finance, careers, real estate, getting into business, technology, cooking, travel, personal health, or just about any topic you choose. You can set up a website, gradually build up the content, articles, videos, podcasts, etc., then eventually monetize the site through advertising, affiliate marketing, or even the direct sale of specific products or services. Even better, you can generally find whatever services and technical assistance you need online and free of charge. Later on, when your site develops a reliable cash flow, you can begin working with paid providers who can take your blog to the next level. 9. Make a podcast that pays. Podcasts are red hot. Want to create one? All you really need is a laptop and a good microphone. And here's the other good news: podcasts don't need to run daily, and because they're not live, you can record multiple episodes at once. According to International Living, there are many ways to make money from a podcast, including commercial sponsorships or advertising products or services. I can record and broadcast a podcast wherever I am in the world, says podcaster Luis Congdon. It's remarkably simple, and it can also be profitable. 10. Sell your crafts online. If you are good at creating crafts, just about any type, you should try your hand selling them on Etsy. This is a site that is dedicated to the sale of crafts. They charge a fee of 3.5% of your sale, which is a lot lower than what other online marketplaces charge. All the rest is yours. The advantage of crafts is that they are creative in nature, and can work well if you are a creative type. In addition, since you are making the crafts, you'll be able to better control your inventory, as well as the costs that go into it. 11. Licensing music online. Just like stock photos, you can license and earn a royalty off of your music when someone chooses to use it. Music is often licensed for YouTube videos, commercials, and more. 12. Get paid to rate products and services online. Companies need to have their products and services evaluated. It's a fundamental part of the marketing process. To do so, they often turn to individuals to review those products and services. This creates yet another opportunity for you to make money online and in your spare time. A website for this purpose is My Points. You evaluate products and services and render your opinions with focus group companies. 13. Get paid for online searches and surveys. This one's easy, just add the site to the web browser. If you click on a search result, you'll earn money. You can also earn cash rewards for taking online F.B.A surveys and sharing your opinions on brands. 14. Build an Amazon F.B.A business. If you want to go directly to the world's largest online retailer, consider setting up a Fulfilled by Amazon F.B.A business. Amazon will pick, pack and ship your orders, and you'll have enormous exposure to a buzzing marketplace where products are selling every second. Clearly, there's a lot of demand on Amazon, and if any product is going to sell, it's going to sell well on Amazon. But the goal here is to source the right products that will easily sell at the world's largest online retailer. Generally, products between $10 and $50 sell very well here. Just be sure to do the right market research before jumping on this bandwagon. 15. Watch and rate online movies and videos. Swagbucks will actually pay you to watch videos, movies, and even news programs, and rate them. That will earn you points for each video that you watch, and those can be redeemed for cash through PayPal or through gift cards. You won't make a fortune with Swagbucks, but it can provide a small extra monthly income, which you will earn in your spare time. 16. Do narration and voiceovers. Thanks to smartphones, there's a boom happening right now in the audiobooks industry, which is, in turn, creating a demand for freelance narrators. International Living says that even new narrators can earn an average of $100 an hour based on completed work. Joel Young is a top freelancer on Fiverr who has made more than $1.5 million by selling his voiceover services. 17. Get paid to review software online. This is another of the more technical online money-making strategies. Software Judge will pay you to review the software that they produce. You have to try out the software, render a thorough review, and provide your opinion about your experience. Obviously, it's a venture for people who are very familiar with various types of software, and who know how to thoroughly investigate and evaluate each program. But it's also one of those opportunities where you will start small, and your compensation will grow with experience, and as they develop a greater degree of trust in your opinions. 18. Make money flipping websites and domains. Have you ever seen those shows on TV of people who buy dilapidated houses, and then rehab them and sell them for enormous profits? You can also do that with websites and web domains through a site called Flippa.com. It's a virtual marketplace for websites and web domains. You want to buy undervalued domains and sell them later on at a higher price. For example, you can pick a domain that is out of favor but could be related to some future event. So if you decide that the stock market is likely to crash in the future, you can buy a domain that includes the words stock market crash during a rising market, and then sell it in a falling market. You can also buy struggling websites, and work to improve their appearance, revenue stream, and value. Once you do, you can sell the sites for more money than you paid for them. It's kind of like doing property rehabs, but without getting your hands dirty. 19. Write and sell ebooks. If you have a propensity for writing and you can slay with your prose, consider writing an ebook. While the market has certainly become saturated as of late, books that help teach people about a technical topic still sell extremely well. This is a great source of passive income but does require a large amount of effort at the outset before any money is generated. You can sell your ebooks through Amazon's Kindle program or Apple's iTunes Connect, which gives you access to a large majority of the digital book reading market, and the barriers for entry are incredibly low. You don't need to invest lots of money to make this happen, but you do need to invest lots of time, not only in writing the ebooks but in marketing them as well. 20. Auction items on eBay. eBay is a bellwether. It's been around since nearly the start of the online boom. But, like any other platform, success can seem fleeting if you don't know what you're doing. Selling items on eBay, professionally that is, can be an art form. Getting people interested in your auctions isn't always easy, especially when there are hefty competition and low demand for what you're selling. Like anything else, you need to do the proper research, but you can make significant amounts of money as an eBay power seller. Find the most successful eBay sellers in your niche and model after their success. Find all of their listings and see just how they list the items that they're selling. Thank you for spending some time with us. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video.